watch the blueberries. You might want to go put those up now too, up on the big table. Oh, I see it didn't take you that long.
To do what? To clean it?
Yeah.
Didn't take any time.
Said it was going to take an hour.
Took 2 seconds. Just took a couple more seconds than I wanted it to take. Perfect amount of water. What? You want me to jump in the puddle too?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to get muddy. That's your favorite thing to do. Splashing in the puddle?
We're gonna take a wave. Gonna take a wave.
You want to check the wave?
Oh yeah. Don't go home, Dad. Don't go.
Every day he wants to check the wave at the river.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Noah and I are heading downtown right now. We're gonna go check that river wave. He was pretty adamant about wanting to go check it today, so woo, stoked. Nothing crazy going on with the wave right now. I mean, it looks all right, but probably gonna get better a lot later in the day when all this rain starts flowing down. The river's probably gonna come up later today, which is good. We're gonna go out at about 4. We're just walking home now. It's kind of raining again, so it wasn't really raining when we left. It's not a big deal, it's just a little bit of rain, but nevertheless, we're gonna head home and check out these tractors one last time. He's become a regular over here. All the people, all the crossing guards and everything know him by name. Jon just texted me. Check my text to try and send him that video. He already texted me with the flow chart graph and was like, said it's happening early. And sure enough, the graph is showing that it's almost up to 700 cubic feet per second already today. So we might be at a water park. What about the tree? Something about a tree. I don't know.
I signed up for classes.
Yeah. So you're going to school? What are you going to school for?
Naturopathy. You have to sign up by March 28th to attend the classes on the 2nd of April. So, is that?
That data board. That my board. That data board. That mama board.
So wait, which one's your board?
That my board. That my board. That data board. That data board. That data.
You have two?
Ha.
Which ones are yours?
That one's mine.
That one and that one.
That my one.
Oh,
That
wow.
mine.
So he's...
That one. That.
Oh, okay. So I get one board, you get two.
Okay.
Just drinking some coffee right now. Second cup. So I'm here at the river right now. I had to step away from the wave because there's just a ton of people staring and it's really awkward. But river's got a creepy vibe today. I'm waiting for Jon to show up. I got the camera all set up, but it's creepy. It's muddy. Going full on helmets, life jackets and everything. So yeah, there's totally a branch caught up here that could pose a problem later on. If that comes loose, we're gonna have to keep a close eye on upstream while we surf today. Decided while I'm waiting to look at the flow graphs again, because earlier they were about 700. They're over 900 right now. It's over 900 cubic feet per second, nearly 1,000. So it's gone up since this morning even.
Somewhere doing, I don't even know what
don't know if you guys can see this, but my fingers are like purple. It's pretty consistent with what's been happening. Just got out of the water. Streets are just empty. I mean, there's construction, but still. Just caught a ton of waves on my belly. And just like a couple on my knees for a second. Still had a ton of fun. Definitely worth it. But it's just hard. It's just way harder than it looks. And yeah, just gonna keep trying until I can get it and stand up. So my hands are literally the coldest they've ever been. I think. I don't know. I feel like I say that every time. For some reason, the bad circulation that runs in my family just will not give me a break. Still had a lot of fun. Very meditative. Felt like I could just fall asleep on the wave. $96.2. I don't know. I just want to see consistent. I want to see if there's any consistency. Yeah, it seems to be my temperature after the river. Long day. I'm home. Just put the kids to bed. The river was sketch, but it was super fun. I had a couple good fun rides, just messing around. I still have not stood up on that wave, so I'm determined to do that. And I'm sure I live right next to it, so it's gonna go down at some point. Yeah, we'll get it dialed. Took a hot shower, feel great now. Making Deetra some tea. Her throat got real bad after I left, so she's not feeling good. She's been sick the past couple days. And then I am making some kava to relax my muscles a little bit. It's fun. Good times. Jon got a couple. It was really powerful today. So what happened too is I got down there, and then while I was waiting for Jon, I checked the river flow again, and it was up to 1,000 or more. It was crazy. And then throughout the day while we were there, it was getting steadily higher. And apparently I heard that it's going into flood stage tonight. So the river's going to be in flood stage tonight, which is kind of crazy. And it was just really muddy water. As you probably have seen, hopefully I got it on camera. I haven't checked my footage yet, but you will have already seen the footage of a log coming down the river, which is the log that I was worried about the entire time I was there. And it was huge, so definitely dodged a couple logular bullets. But overall, it was fun. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be going tomorrow just because Deetra is not feeling well at all. So might be calling it off for tomorrow. We'll see what's up. Hope you all had a good day, and see you tomorrow for whatever I'm doing.